A system is running normally. Apps open, users working. Nothing suspicious. But in the background, a process is being captured. Frozen. Copied. Saved. This is token stealing via ProcDump. An attacker uses a trusted tool to snapshot a running process. Not malware, not flagged, just a legitimate utility. Here's how it works. Some processes hold sensitive data, like login tokens, authentication details. The attacker targets one, creates a memory dump, a snapshot of what's inside. And inside that dump, they find tokens. Not passwords, but something just as powerful. These tokens prove identity, so the attacker reuses them to impersonate the user. Access granted. No login needed. Attackers love this because it bypasses passwords entirely and uses trusted tools to stay under the radar. It happens in Windows systems, enterprise environments, admin sessions, anywhere sensitive processes are running. Here's how to stay safe. Restrict access to system tools like ProcDump. Monitor for unusual process dumping activity. Use endpoint detection tools to catch suspicious behavior. Because sometimes they don't steal your password, they steal your identity in memory. Follow me before hackers follow you.